Okay, let's get back to it. Let's check your answers for your 3 problems. 15 minus 9. So we don't have any 10s there, so we are just going to move 9 backwards or 9 to the left. So let's go ahead and first we're going to find our 15. Here's my 15. And I'm going to count backwards 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I got the answer 6. Did you also get the answer 6? Let's go ahead and erase and we'll check our next problem. Our next problem is 78 minus 31. So that means that we have 1, 1, and 3 10s. So let's go ahead and our first step is to find our 78. And we're going to move to backwards 1, so we're at 77. And then we're going to move 10, 20, 30. So 10, 20, 30. So we got an answer of 47. So make sure you write out your answer. Our next problem is 57 minus 19. So we have 9 ones and 1 10. So let's find our number 57 after we erase. Here's my 57. And I'm counting backwards 9. So some of you may have noticed that there's a shortcut to counting backwards 9. And that's if we go up 1 and then over 1 to 48. Because we know that 10 is 1 more than 9. But if you're not ready for that step yet, you can just go ahead and count back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we had 1 10, so we're going to go right up here. And we get 38. Let's do our last 3 problems together. Let me erase. And our last 3 problems are 87 minus 29, 93 minus 19, and 100 minus 30. So when you're looking at these problems, they seem like really big numbers and they might be hard to do. And you might want to use your numbers chart. So let's go ahead and look at our first problem of 87 minus 29. And we have 9 ones and 2 10s. So let's go ahead and find our 87. 87. And we're going to count back 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we're going to go up 2 because we're going back 20. So 10, 20, and we have our answer at 58. So again, you can always check your work by just counting backwards. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So that's something that you can do as well, but you can see it takes a little bit more time. So let's look at our next problem, which is 93. Oh, I forgot to write my answer. Oh, wrong pen. So we're on 93 minus 19. 9 and 1. First step is to find our 93. Here it is. And we're moving backwards 9. So again, we know that 9 is 1 less than 10, so this is our 9, but let's count backwards just to check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we're going to go up 1. And we get an answer of 74. And again, we can count that. We can count the whole thing out. So we know that this was 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And we land on 74 that way as well. And our last one, you may think, I know this problem, 100 minus 30. I don't have to subtract the zeros, so I just put a 0 down there, and I know 10 minus 3. And so that's great. But if you want to use your numbers chart, we also have a very easy thing that we can do, which is we start at 100. Let me erase. Start at 100. And because we're moving 30 backwards, we can just go 10, 20, 30. So there's multiple ways that you can get the right answer with math. And so using a numbers chart is just one of them. So we know that 100 minus 30 is 70. So make sure you write that answer on your worksheet. So you guys did fantastic today. Let me know if you have any questions or if you want to try any problems we can do together.